Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any key updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at stockinvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.19. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock witnessed a decline of 31.05%. This equates to an average drop of 2.59% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically represents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $3.29 is breached, it will first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning signal for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 26% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from about 17% to 275%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 60%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from approximately 31% to 358% over the coming year. In current terms, this would position the future price between $4.64 and $16.17. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, "A very strong day for BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Friday." On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, the BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained nearly 8%, rising from $3.27 to $3.53. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by over 8%, hitting a low of $3.32 and a high of $3.59. The stock has fallen in 5 out of the last 10 days and is down by over 31% during this period. However, the trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical signal. In total, 25 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 55 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $193,310,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is nearly 66%, or $6.82, below the 52-week high, and about 78%, or $12.59, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai's stock has faced considerable volatility recently, particularly following the release of its fourth quarter earnings report. This report indicated a loss that was wider than anticipated, alongside a discouraging outlook for the year 2025. In response to this news, shares of BBAI have fallen by approximately 25% since the start of the year, reflecting investor apprehensions. This is despite the company securing a significant contract worth $13.2 million with the U.S. Department of Defense. This contract focuses on modernizing a critical decision support platform, which may provide a long-term growth opportunity and a solid revenue stream for BigBear.ai. While challenges persist in the short term, analysts remain cautiously optimistic. A recent evaluation maintained a buy rating, albeit with a revised price target lowered to $6 from $7. This adjustment suggests that the recent decline in stock price could offer a buying opportunity for those who believe in the company's long-term potential within the artificial intelligence defense sector. In the short term, this volatility may provoke increased caution among investors, which could further drive stock prices down as confidence diminishes. However, if BigBear.ai can effectively leverage its government contracts and enhance its financial performance, there may be a rebound in stock prices over the long term as the fundamentals improve. The company's capacity to utilize government contracts successfully will be essential for stabilizing its financial position and rebuilding investor confidence in the future. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. On the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also issue a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. There are mixed signals regarding the stock today. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $5.62. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $3.42. A breakout above the long-term average will generate an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall sentiment. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 63.91%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 104 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 16 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 127 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.34 and $3.27. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings finds support just below today's level at $3.34. If this support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $3.27 and $2.82. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 270 cents between its high and low, or 8.13%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 10.58%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may raise concerns about profitability and could even indicate bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate earnings at -6 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.73. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.34. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 3,629,108 shares of common stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed another insider sale of 1,707,837 shares of common stock. On the 12th of March, 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. executed an insider sale of 16,000 shares of common stock. On the 7th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 2,660,841 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 3,137,293 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have identified the insider power as negative, with a ratio of negative 92.760. In total, insiders acquired 4,651,738 shares and sold 110,208,961 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by 5 cents and start trading at $3.48. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from stockinvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.